In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Microsoft Teams notifications. If you're tired of constant pings and pop-ups from Teams while you're trying to focus, this walkthrough will show you how to quickly turn those notifications off from the web version of Microsoft Teams. We'll go step by step so you know exactly where to click and what each option means. Start by opening Microsoft Teams in your browser and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the main Teams page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options or Ellipsis menu. This is where many of the app's additional settings are tucked away. Move your mouse over to those 3 dots and click on them. If you don't see them right away, try maximizing your browser window so the full menu appears. After clicking the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, look for the option labeled Settings. This is where you can control most of your personal preferences in Teams, including notifications, appearance, and devices. Go ahead and click on Settings. A new panel or window will open, usually in the center or on the side of your screen. Inside the Settings area, you'll see several categories listed, such as General, Privacy, and others. What you want to find is the section called Notifications and Activity. This is the dedicated place where Microsoft Teams lets you control what alerts you receive and how you receive them. Click on Notifications and Activity to open that section. Now you'll see various notification options. Depending on your version of Teams, there will be a main toggle or switch that controls whether you receive notifications for activity in Teams. Look for the primary toggle that allows you to turn notifications on or off. When the toggle is enabled, you'll receive alerts. When it's disabled, those notifications will stop. Click the toggle to turn it off. Once you do that, Teams will stop sending you notifications based on the settings controlled by that switch. If you're trying to work without interruptions, this is especially useful. You can always come back to this same place later and click the toggle again to turn notifications back on whenever you're ready. And that's it. By clicking the 3 dots, going into Settings, opening Notifications and Activity, and switching off the main toggle, you've successfully turned off Microsoft Teams notifications.